Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Working Man Ron Doyle. I've got a little bit of a different video today. I follow YouTube channels involving firewood processing. I've been watching Brad at Firewood at the Furnace. He has got an open house today. He's got Andrew Easton stopping down at 2:30 p.m. To show us some Easton Made log splitters. There's going to be Dude Ranch DIY is going to be there, and Old Guy Firewood will be there, and Shive, Outside with Shive, will be there. It's a little bit different video. Hopefully you all are interested in it. I do firewood on the side. Don't know if it ever turn into a business, but I'm trying to be a little bit more productive in my processing time and cutting it down. So stick around and we'll take you through this open house with Firewood at the Furnace with Brad. So stay tuned. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I made it out to Firewood at the Furnace with Brad. I've met him, and upon arriving here, he said in the live stream that the ground's going to be a little muddy, and well, we pulled up, and needless to say, the truck is stuck to the axle. But we are officially here. The event is going on right over there. So got the chainsaws. I brought a Stihl Ms-500i Magnum for people to try out, and I brought the DeWalt FlexVolt chainsaw for everybody to try out and compare to what they're trying out here is the Ms-500i, and it's fuel injected. I want to compare it to the 660 that I own and see what the differences are. So stay tuned, and we'll show you a little bit about it. Hopefully y'all enjoy this.
Just wanted to let everybody know that it was a great day here today at Firewood at the Furnace. We hosted a little bit of an open house here. Some people had expressed interest in running the Easton Made machine, and we reached out and opened up the doors for everybody and ended up getting 5 Easton Made machines here. We had two 1222s, a 916, a 2228, and an Axis. So a complete showroom here for Easton Made wood splitters to come and run them, try them out, do whatever you wanted to do. We had a great turnout. There was a lot of other YouTube channels here. Iron and Oak Sawmill, Outside with Shive, Woodridge Creek, Dude Ranch DIY was here, Frickin' Jeep. The list goes on and on. So I want to thank everybody that came out and supported it. We had probably over 80 people here at the peak. So it was quite the day. And I just am hopeful that everybody had a great time here and everybody enjoyed themselves. The weather worked out good, so maybe we'll do it again soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with Jack Miskey, and he has got a 916 Easton Made. And I'm going to do a little walk around with this thing and let him tell you a little bit about it. So Jack, what can you tell me about this splitter?
When we Easton Made 916, and I was looking for one of these for a few years, and I found this on Facebook Marketplace up in New Jersey, so I got it used. I'm looking at the 1222 like Brad has, and Josh, and several other people. But this one came in place. We got this one first. The best thing about it for me is the log lift, the jump to the wedge, and the auto cycle. Being able to auto cycle these, you got both hands to handle what's pushing through. If you split right, you can throw it in your trailer or wherever you're putting it. If it's not split right, raise the deck up, set it on here, put it in there, split it again.
Looks like a nice machine. Well put together.
Oh, these things are definitely way overbuilt. Andrew has definitely figured these out.
You want to fire it up and run a couple rounds through it?
That's fine, so.
That's what you call speed, ladies and gentlemen. Talking about this height going across. Go ahead and pass it through like that. Basically, you don't have to remove it.
Yep. And the six-way wedge is the same thing. Six-way wedge will drop down low enough.
Show us what these levers do.
Alright, so you've got your log lift down and up. You've got your adjustable wedge up and down. This is the auto cycle, or you can do it manually. You can send it down and it'll stop. Now bring it back. We can do the hands-free auto cycle. Set it and forget it.
Hey, I'm gonna get you. Oh, you're on camera. This is Brad's mother. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at Brad's and I have met Everything Elliot.
That's me. I'm Elliot. My channel is Everything Elliot, and I'm here at Brad's. We're splitting some firewood today. It seems like he's got a great group of guys coming out, help him split all of his firewood, stacking it all up, and there's a ton of Easton Made splitters here. I had the opportunity to run a couple of them. Great splitters. I love them. And, you know, the main reason I'm here is to check these splitters out. You guys may or may not know me. I do split firewood at my house, but it's only for personal use. I don't often get into splitting commercially like the operation he's got on here. A lot of stuff you're going to see on my channel is tractor operating, equipment maintenance, all that kind of good stuff. Let's see what else.
Sounds great.
Is that all you want?
That sounds great, man.
Okay.
I appreciate it. It was
a pleasure, man.
Pleasure meeting you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
lifted this one yet?
It's heavy. It's a freaking monster. It's not yours. That's mine. And that's yours. So,
Hold out.
all right, we're doing a comparison on the weight on a that is a MS-660 Magnum, and that is a Stihl Ms-500i. And Shive just ran both of these saws. Shive's going to tell us what his experience is and the weight difference. What do you think?
The 500 is way lighter, and it's just a touch faster. So, I mean, that's a 20-inch bar and a 25-inch bar too. So the 500 is pulling a little more chain, and it's faster than the 660 with the 20. So I think we can put that to rest, that the 660 does not outcompete the 500i. Or I guess you could say they're comparable, but the 500i is definitely faster and has that just a little bit more power, even though the 660 is a little more cc.
Now, you bought that saw personally. Right now, what does that saw run for? The MS-500i.
With the light bar, probably around 15 or 1600 bucks.
Okay, I paid $1,450 for that one 10 years ago.
Yeah.
So I guess
They're probably about comparable in price.
price-wise, yeah, almost the same, but a lot less weight. So I'm gonna try his saw out if you don't mind.
Yeah, I don't mind.
All right, I appreciate it, Shive. Thank you for the interview.
No problem.
All right, gentlemen, I gotta go use the restroom.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have Todd. He has got his 2228 Easton Made log splitter. He's going to tell you a little bit about this and what this thing does. It is a total beast. I can't believe it. I got a chance to operate it. What can you tell me about this thing, Todd?
Well, this is the biggest gasoline-powered log splitter that Easton Made has. It is the 2228. Right now we have the 8-way wedge on it. We got the log lift loaded up with a couple rounds. This one does have the auto cycle. It's got the fan cooler on it, and this machine is a beast. It is almost unstoppable.
How long have you owned it?
I've had this one for 10 months.
Any downsides to owning this other than it being a weight hog?
No, not that I can find.
Can you move the tongue by yourself?
I can.
Okay.
I cannot push it up a hill. But I can lift it up and I can move it on flat ground.
All right. And it is a dual cylinder 23 horse Briggs & Stratton Vanguard. And do you know the flow rate on that pump?
I do not.
All right. But it does have the removable tongue, go on the front of the machine, the back of the machine. It has a removable boat tank. So you don't have to take this to a filling station to fill it up. You take that.
Nope, slide the tank right out, throw it in the back of your car, bed of your truck.
That is awesome. I love that idea.
Very convenient.
All right, you want to fire this thing up and we'll run some rounds through it. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a knotty piece of wood.
Nothing but knots.
Without the box wedge being on this, you got a little bit more jockeying material back and forth to finalize your splits. Did you purchase the box wedge for this?
I did.
You did, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this has got the log lift, assisted log lift on the side. It's got the adjustable wedge. He's got the 8-way in it right now. This Easton Made is a beast. Chris from Dude Ranch DIY. So, what brings you all down to Firewood at the Furnace?
Well, we're here to help Brad out, split some firewood, meet some people.
Check out some crazy splitters.
Yeah, some cool Easton Made splitters, and eat his wife's delicious chili, of course.
Have you had any yet?
I have. I had it in a bowl and on a chili dog.
Oh man, I better get over there. Well, I'm glad to see you all here, and hopefully we'll see you in some splitting videos.
Oh yeah.
Which splitter do you have in mind that Andrew Easton may need a word on?
You know, all of them honestly are pretty darn impressive, but the one I've had my sights on particularly is the 24D.
24D.
But the 1222, after running Shive and Brad's, it's quite a machine. Like very impressive. Very
nice.
Impressive machine. Just
nice.
in the way it's built and how it splits wood.
So
it's almost like hands-off splitting. It's great.
So you think you may retire yours? Maybe an upgrade, or?
I don't know. I would definitely be interested in an upgrade at some point. So you know, I'm not going to hold my breath, but
Andrew Easton, we're scratching your head. Let this happen.
Say, hi, I'm Easton Access number 75.
Yeah. We're getting ready to try the splitter out, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what this thing can do. That, ladies and gentlemen, is impressive. That is the Axis, Easton Made Axis. Andrew Easton was here today. Hopefully we get a chance to meet him before he leaves. This is an impressive machine like all the other ones. So far, I think I like this one the best. What do you all think? Comment down below. Well, let's see, ladies and gentlemen, this didn't work out too hot. I pulled up at this thing and the parking lot attendant said she was good to go.
Somebody get in that thing.
Well, she's a little stuck. So, Shive, a Chevy pulling a Chevy. Let's see if this works. This is Shive with his big... Hey, y'all got, can you get the skid steer over here? Man, this is a mess.
The truck.
You ready?
Here we go.
Turn right.
Right. Yeah, that way you're pulling them straighter out.
Yeah. That makes sense.
I think we're getting there.
There you go.
Woo! Woo! Get a woo!
There we go.
Woo! Woo! Whee! Wow.
What you had here was a whole bunch of volunteers who actually love their Easton Made products that they decided to bring it here to show it off and give everybody else an opportunity to use it to have the same type of joy in using this product.
And I had such a blast. I was coming through going on a family vacation to Florida. I was able to stop in and meet all these people, meet all the YouTubers and all the fans of Easton Made. This has been an absolutely incredible day. And I really appreciate Brad for being able to put this on for us. I'm glad that Easton Made could have been a part of it.
and I thank Brad for hosting it. But this is Andrew Easton from Easton Made Log Splitters, and this is York Firewood.
Ken Anderson from York Firewood.
Ken Anderson and his son and Danny. And we all had a blast out here, and I thank Andrew for being a sponsor of Brad's channel, and Brad hosting this party. So thank you truly. I very much appreciate it.